Hello, welcome to Gwini Tech Solutions. My name is Abdullah Isani, and today I'll be showing you how to add up WhatsApp button to your website. So, without wasting much of the time, let's dive in to see how it is being done. Okay, so first of all, I will show you how this is going to look like. This is actually my website. You can see Gunitech Solutions. You can see this is the kind of WhatsApp button that we're going to learn how to add up. We're going to add up a chat where users will be able to contact you like directly from your website. Okay, so let's quickly move to the site. I just completed this site. Yeah, you can see this is a site for Temoko. So these guys, they need a WhatsApp button by the right hand side. Okay, this is a website that I just completed. So let's quickly dive to the dashboard. So for it to navigate to your dashboard, just I'll right click and open it in a new tab. Let's go to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard. So we'll go to appearance under, sorry, we'll go to plugins. Then from plugin we'll navigate to new, add new plugin. So the name of the plugin that we'll be looking for here is social social chats. Just type in social chats. Yes, social chat. This is the WhatsApp plugin that we need. So we need to just click on install now. So what are plugin are what adds additional features to your website. So in this case, we need a button, a WhatsApp button. For us to do that, we need a plugin that will help us do that, and the name of the plugin is Click to Chat app. So I've installed it. After installation, you need to just click on activate in order to get it activated. So after activation, you can see it's currently activating. Yes, it is done activating. So you can see list of plugins that I've installed. So we need to go under by the left hand side. You see social chat button. Then you navigate to button. So we'll click on button. Yeah, there are a few setup that we need to do here. Firstly, we need to, under the layout, of course, is button. Then let's see, yeah, under the layout, under position, I need, like, this is the website. I need the WhatsApp button to be at the right hand side. So under the position, I need to select the place that I want this WhatsApp to appear on my website. So I'm going to select middle right. I want it to be at the middle, but the right hand side. Then text. Actually, this text, let's see. I'm going to talk about this later, but let's hover to where we have let's move to where we have phone. You can see this is where you add up the phone number. I've already gotten the phone number of the owner of the site. So the phone number should start with 234. Then you put your phone number. Don't add the plus symbol. Okay. Now here we have what is where they said message. This is where we type in the pretext that when the user clicks on the button, the WhatsApp button, we want them to see a particular message that will be available for them. So here we're just going to type something like hello Teimoko. Teimoko is actually the name of the company. So Teimoko Community Development Initiative. Hello Community Development Initiative. In brackets I'll put TCDI. So I'll put exclamation mark. Yep. So let's save. If I save now, let's go. Saved successfully. Now let's go back to the website and refresh. Now refresh this. We're supposed to see the WhatsApp button by the right hand side. Can you see? Now you can see we have a text here called with how can I help you. Now we need to remove it because we don't really need it. Now how do we remove that text? This is yes, can you see where we have text? How can I help you? We don't need a text there, so we just erase this. Then you just come after erasing, then you just come and click on save. Now yeah, saved successfully. Now let's go back and refresh the page. Yes, you can see this is how the WhatsApp, yes, this is how I really want this. Now that is how easy it is for you to add up a WhatsApp button. Now if I click on this now, let's test it. I click on the button. Yep, it's telling me it's about to open WhatsApp web. You can see it's opening WhatsApp web. Let's wait for it as it loads up. Yeah, starting chat. You can see how easy it is. The system is trying to navigate, you know, yes, you can see this is where the WhatsApp is taking us to. Now you can see it has taken us to the DM of the owner of the website with the pretext that we set it to have. Okay, so guys, that is how easy it is. i'll just I'll just click on send. I'll click on the send button. Allow. Yes, you can see from that, from our website, we've been able to send a WhatsApp message to the owner of the site, okay, directly from the website. Alright guys, so that will be it for today. That is how to add up a social or a WhatsApp button to your website. Okay, thank you, see you some other time, bye.